friends, this is Samanyu. Today I am going to draw the easy drawing of aeroplane, which is easy for you to draw at home. Let's draw it. Now I am drawing the front part of the aeroplane. Now I am drawing the wings of the aeroplane. Please ignore the background noise. The wing of the opposite side need not to be longer. Now I am drawing the back part of the aeroplane. These are the back wings of the aeroplane. And now we will draw the air blowers. Same as it on the opposite side. Now we will draw the windows. And here is the door. Here. And these are the windows. These. Like this we will draw all the windows. And we will draw the same down of these windows. Same like this, another door. And windows. So now the windows in the down part of the aeroplane are finished, and we will draw another door. And we can make designs on it like this. You can do your own designs. I have made the design like this. You can make on your own. Now we will color these designs and some parts of the aeroplane. But first we will dark it. We can use a marker, but I prefer a pencil. I am using green and yellow sketch for the designs. You should be careful while handling the sketches for these thin lines. I have completed coloring these designs and I will shade with pencil these windows. I have shaded these windows with grey color. You should not um, shade it darker because it will otherwise it will be ugly. Like this, you can draw an aeroplane very easily at home. Thank you. Watch, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.